The efficient hydronic electric baseboard heater. It features a hydronic heating element that transfers the heat evenly across the length of the heater, providing uniform warmth and longer heat retention. Additionally, the large aluminum heating fins help to deliver a steady and efficient flow of warm air. Installation is a snap with the pre-notched guide marks. And the power supply connection can be positioned on either end of the heater. It features an automatic cutoff to prevent overheating and maintains a low surface temperature to ensure safety. It's ideal for new home construction, remodeling projects, apartments, condos, and light commercial use. The efficient hydronic electric baseboard heater. Comfortable heating wherever you need it.